pinches of salt. There is a pinch, there's a heavy pinch, there's a French pinch. You rock it back and forth. Garlic's got a problem because, well, it's garlic, it's going to stick. When you're scraping it, try to not scrape with the blade like this. If you scrape like this with the blade, you're bending the tip. You're going to start bending it backwards. The right thing to do is either to angle it, so you're actually scooping, or invert it, and you use the spine. French pinch, pinch, pinch. It's about a tablespoon, about a half tablespoon, about a teaspoon is kind of the rough equivalent. Make garlic paste. Cut your garlic fine. Probably finer than I do with mine, but we're on a time schedule. Next part, I'm going to use the blade of the knife to basically scrape it back and forth on the cutting board. The salt is going to work like an abrasive. It's going to help grind that garlic into a finer paste. So when I do it, I'm using the spine, my fingers are on the back side of the blade, I'm going to take it forward and back. Ooh, not my fingers. Fine garlic paste. The nice thing with this garlic paste, it's already seasoned. I put salt in it. Whenever I'm working with this, I need to keep that salt amount, ooh, it's peppery too, in my calculations of how I'm seasoning my food, because there's salt in here. If I put that in a pot, that salt is in that pot.